Ine kumirite RUKUU gatigati kama MCA onde gikundi kimwe kiabo kiria gitongeretwe ni uria wari mutongeria wa baria baingi Evans MAWIRA kuga kuri na mainya za kunyamaria MCA baria bakwenda kugwatanira na ngabana Kawira Mwangaza bobone nyuma ya bamwe bao KURITWA kiri KAMITI cia MBUNGE MCA wa kuorotwa Frida Naito nawe akirungi kwane speaker kiumia kimwe erenjira ya kumugwatithia nthinje rutere rurungi rwa MCA irugite guterumena ruriono kukuthingatirwa witikanĩria buria bwaritirwe kiri mucemanio na mwandiki munene wa kiama kia UDA nthiguru nene Cleophas Malala muthumruki ena rugonoru
Narua kukwete mokitene County Assembly ya MERU nyuma MC bamwe kuthabaiti kamiti balegesio bakikwa kiingi.
For the purposes of ensuring effectiveness, there was a need to limit the number of members in the select committee on county budget and appropriation, implementation of county public account and investigation. The 21 to 21. That's why I was saying that we decided to reduce numbers from 23 to 21.
Kikundi giki giotongeretwe Evans MAWIRA urora itore mutongerio baingi mbungene ya MERU.
We should be respected and we should be left to guide members to choose their own partner of speaker.
Mr. Speaker, do you want to tell me when I do my side hustle in the judiciary there is anything wrong, Honorable?
If a boy in a village feels unappreciated, he may resort to burning the homestead to feel the warmth of the house.
The elephant in the house about this motion is purely about members who namely should be victimized from the perspective of some of the members.
Bagwa gitumikeo ke gwitwa ki kamiti ni giki.
Na tuto kwenda kugojo. We not take that line low. Inonto gote muntu authority the assembly. To direct the speaker, to direct the majority leader, to direct the deputy speaker, to direct the anybody. Muntu othe jite aja by their right. Alingeri kura, imuringi wo kura kana anominate kia makere kia muretere. So toroitwa committee ne. Toroitwa kenyino committee. Toroitwa subcommittees. Toroitwa nara kunda wa kwenda Twitter. Watu to members wa MERU County Assembly by right. Na toka exercise our right, toka exercise our democratic right, toka the kaira sheria inonto.
Nonto nyombeje tuadhurire nya speaker tongeria out of experience. Narua tu kuona ara mtu disregard standing orders, ara disregard kwethira mtu ena right ya kwethira nyombeje either nominated kana elected. Na mbuge those of us who are supporting the governor. Narua nonto bwa aje kwendereithia ndoa ba kwengwa kamiti ne ciao.
Na ito kwenda kwera our SG Cleophas Malala ito kwenda kuona baruge eu yaandikirwe akiuga abatwe tuchenjwe kamiti na tuitwe kamiti wingi tuitwe kamiti ya budget park na implementation
na woni bambi intimidate kija bambi kamiti ne utewa mi ngambeu na nte ida se mule kenda ne kija bagenda nya jimo kana kunengera ire ikitiere I'm very comfortable ote ida na thina my friend kakwira oma no mwanga ngotare na ngabana kenda antu bambeo bona services
amna bubu mutongero baba inge mbungene jina nino Patrick Mutuma etwa kiwana mutaratara junde jukuthingatiri na ibia mabiongo bya kalirendi betha bikende kithio ntububu
ara muntu abati kukara na naru nya itokalia ngugeu ira tugwita nchete as a chairperson na majority na minority leader mwendethire avesio kwa na twathie muchemeno narua na itwathitie kuma kabera bere au mchonere thingatene bwegara ibatere kuthingatana ikenda tomba gwika committee ana members o wara batere tutithithirie ojo no ntoma njo minge tako watorandi whip tako ngo torenga atugire batu turonere kenda assembly rani ure batere na kenda assembly karabwega ibwega muno tujuki members baba tujukitie directions from the parties whips ikenda twakisha tweka muntu wara batere kuringana na berite we
na bubu mthio narua ikonegere kwena ugaruku kyo kitongere kama KUDA ara msiwe kyago aitroja munini mukanukia
batu tutena thina na ite tafadhali eteni bojokieni beyond kabisa no te mtu waje tayari timu tungi na woni nkarungamana excellence Bishop Kawira Mwangaza usiku na mchana
MC wa korotwa nwende urizika ki etho agikirwa ntwaja
bakiama kikatho nonto bakundura the deputy majority whip wao
kitekira mbugite ngakijukia na ngakita ngugi ura kubaterete na nkibera ibwega no tubakona kugia confidence na uni na ndenda kuga ngatetheira majority wipo kwa mheshimiwa G Muchoi ikenda tubagwitithia kiama kina mbere kira tuje nikio majority party in the county assembly of Meru and okyo kinya the ruling party in Kenya na itukwenda kwira members betu na ba public
thing na irua riki durano kerua riki raki kubudhito na kiokari chandi ni majority linda kiokari following resolutions ira tubudhite Nairobi tariki 18 ira kwa twikire tukwira twari Nairobi twachalanire kire ofisi ya majority linda na deputy majority linda atho ntuko mwanja after communication ira yaita tukabwithia muchamanio ringi ya kuthurana ndene ya kuthurana kire ofisi ya majority linda na deputy majority linda ambao muchamanio yu buthikire irua ri na yore kigwitha yukiona results ira tukuwira
una aro kuweka makayu ndiye twina uongozi mpya twina majority umwero uro communicator area twina deputy uro communicator area na narua twina wipo umwero akithia no orareo no thuro members enda kwatira Muchoi na twathura deputy we Doris Gaki ko ni ngo gira tugita narua na twindie tukakisha yude no karabwaga na twakisha yude no kusamba Meru ura kubatere na tukarikia mageto no tukigenio inyeto no teke magenge tiga yundie
amuthiene nandi ni MC wa Koroto no Frinda na Itore urani kuringana na speaker Meru Yubundi agurenetwa akiuna matho kathumba Kinyombeji.
The speaker or the chairperson of the committee shall order any member whose conduct is grossly disorderly to withdraw immediately from the presence of the assembly. So, Karudu, I order that the honorable member withdraws from the premises of the assembly for the remaining time for the afternoon sitting and tomorrow, and should not be seen anywhere within the presence and should not attend even a committee meeting.
What is the position? Umesema speaker amepeana directions to Kuzo. For how long?
How long are we going to be changed from the assembly?
Yes, that is the question.
Yes.
Edwa kirigiro gutonya assembly mwaka kiuma twitite.
So I expect you to comply with that, but please ensure that Honorable Naito leaves the assembly premises 20th until 20th of 20th of February 2024.
Muthuri Muriuki, Weru TV, Mutine Jwa Kangangi.